So now we get to the exciting bit. Let's actually find out if we're going to make some profit with this Gold Cups product that we've been looking at throughout the course. Now, all you need to do is open up the FBA STARS product research and analysis spreadsheet. And what we're going to be looking at is this section here, which is the profit analysis spreadsheet. Now, I'm going to talk you through each of these sections, show you how to fill out all of this information, and go right to the end. And we're going to find out how much profit we're actually going to make with this specific product. So a lot of this information we already have, and I'm going to show you exactly where we've put it. So we've already put the price here, and what we're going to do is we're going to be looking at the gold cups with the napkins, because that's the new product idea that we found that we want to sell, and we also found out that the price we want to sell at is roughly $36.94. So we found out the cost of the product, how much it actually costs to buy the product from the supplier tracking spreadsheet. So if we go back to the supplier tracking spreadsheet, you will see that it's $1.40. Now, that's only for the gold cups. So just remember that's only for the gold cups. We also wanted to add napkins. So you would get in touch with this same supplier and ask them how much it would cost for napkins, or do they know any other suppliers who sells napkins. If you do have to go out to other suppliers to find napkins separately from where you found the gold cups, that's absolutely fine. The supplier for gold cups will either send it to the napkins manufacturer, or the napkins manufacturer will send it over to the gold cups manufacturer. So there's no major issues there, and it's really simple and absolutely normal to do so. Okay, so we've got $1.40 here. Let's say, for example, that the gold cups and the napkins that we want to buy cost $3, for instance. Now remember, the amount of units that we wanted to buy were 500. Now the total cost of inspection. If you don't know what inspection is when an external company within China goes into the manufacturer, the supplier's factory, to actually check your products. So what they will do is they will test a sample of products to check whether they meet the weight, whether they meet the quality of what you've described within the contract. And we will go through a little bit more on that a little bit later. I'm also in talks with the inspection company that I use to find out whether I could get a discount for you for when you book your first inspection. Now, just as a ballpark figure, I know that inspections cost anything from around $200 to $240 or so. So let's put down $250 just to be on the safe side. Now, the total cost of shipping, we already got that from the Freitos website. So if we go back here, we can see that the price of the one that we are likely to use, high stars, 30 reviews, $958.71. And remember, I'm trying to get a discount with Freitos for you as well. So if I have that, all of the information will be provided in a section within this video. So we've got £958. Remember, if you're in the US, it will come up as dollars, etc. Let's say, for example, it's $1,000, just to be on the safe side. Let's put in $1,000 within the shipping section here. Now, we found out the import tax rate from the Freitos HS code checker, and we found out over here that it's estimated to be exempt from duties. So we go back to our spreadsheet over here, and the percentage we put in is 0. If you put in 5%, it will automatically calculate your taxes, as you can see over here, but it will be 0 for now. Okay, so the total import taxes is going to be 0. The total amount that you will need to put forward in order to buy this product at $3 and buy 500 units, including inspection, shipping, and the import taxes and duties, will be $2,750. Now, if that's too much and you don't have that money yet, remember, you can negotiate this down and you can put this down to $250, and then the price will drop. Also, if you're dropping the price of how many units you buy, you will also drop the price of the shipping. But let's put that back to 500 for this example. So the total cost that will be required will be $2,750. Now, this section here is all around the Amazon fees. Now, Amazon charge a referral fee of 15% of the retail selling price. So this is automatically generated within this spreadsheet, and it's generated based off of the price that we would like to sell over here. So if we change this to $30, you will see that this number over here will change. So let's change it to $30. You will see the number changes to 15% of $30. But let's put that back to the price that we want to sell it at. Okay, so then you need to find out the estimated FBA storage fee, estimated fulfillment fee. So the storage fee obviously is a storage fee per month that Amazon charge per unit, and the estimated FBA fulfillment fee is what it costs Amazon to pick, pack, and deliver the product for you. Now this information is easy to be found. All you need to do is go back to the product that you were looking at. So we were looking at 100 gold plastic cups, and you need to find the ASIN number. Now the ASIN number can be found in two different locations. So within the address bar, you can see that there is a number here beginning with B. You can also scroll down and find the number in product information, which is here. It says ASIN, and all you would need to do is copy that number, go to the Amazon revenue calculator, which I will put a link for as well. You copy and paste the ASIN over here and you hit search. Now the next step is to put in the price that you are going to be selling at. So remember, we've got that information over here. So we are selling at $36.94. So we go back to the revenue calculator and we put $36.94. And that's all you need to do. You do not need to put in any of this other information here. So you just hit calculate, and this will tell you how much it will cost for Amazon to fulfill and store this product. So this is the item price, and here's the Amazon fees that we are looking for. So all you need to do is drop this down. You will see that this is the referral fee. This is the 15%. That is exactly the same as what's in the spreadsheet. It's $5.54 per unit to sell. And then we need this section here. How much does it cost for Amazon to fulfill our product if we're selling it at $36.94? So as you can see, the monthly storage is 11 cents and the fulfillment fee is $5.09. So let's put that information into our profit spreadsheet. So the storage fee is 11 cents and the estimated fulfillment fee is $5.09. So that's all the information that you need for how much Amazon are actually going to charge you to sell this product per unit. Now let's move across, and what you will see is that the profit has been generated for you. So within this product, you will find that every time you sell a product, you will make a profit of $20.70. Your profit margin here is also 56.03, which is fantastic. Now there's two pieces of information that I really want you to understand, and is really important for you to be successful at building an Amazon FBA business. And that's to do with profit margin and profit per unit. Now the fundamental rule that I use is to make sure that the profit margin is always above 30%. However, there is an argument to drop it down to 20 if the sales are ridiculously high. However, I would always say that keep your profit margin above 30% and you will be very safe from any fluctuations that happen in the selling price, the shipping cost, import taxes, etc. And we will go through that in the next video. So 56.03, that is absolutely fantastic. And with the profit per unit, we're making $20.70. You ideally want to make no less than $5 profit per unit. Ideally, you are targeting $10 profit per unit. Anything above 10, you are doing very, very, very well. However, do not go below $5. So the next section is estimated marketing cost per day. Now, this is hard to predict because it can change over time. It depends on your product. However, you can estimate your marketing cost at around $10 to $20 per day. So let's take the latter and go with $20 per day, just to be on the safe side so we know we're making profit. Now, estimated sales per month. Now, how do we find this? All we need to do is go back to Jungle Scout. So we run the gold plastic cups in Amazon.com. We run Jungle Scout Chrome extension, and then you use this information over here and use your better judgment. So as you remember, with the Jungle Scout search that we did initially, we put in a minimum sales of 300 because that's ideally what we're looking for. We're looking for a minimum sales of 300 once we're nice up and running. And what you can see here is that the average number of monthly sales is 585. So I think it's safe to go with 300 to see how much money we are actually going to make. So let's put in an estimated sales per month of 300 and see how much profit we are going to make after spending on marketing. So that's 300 sales a month, and we can see here every month you are going to be making $5,609.70. Now you have to determine whether you are happy with that or you are not. If you are not happy with that, go through the process again and find a product that will get you the money that you are looking for on a monthly basis that meets your target and your goals. Now it may take multiple products to do that. However, it's highly likely that you are able to do that with 1, 2, or 3 products. I've made this profit analysis spreadsheet really easy for you, so all you need to do is just input the information that you found and it will tell you whether you will be making money or not. If any of this didn't make sense, or you missed anything, or you feel like you know it, please go through this video again so you make sure you fully understand this piece inside out, because this is what will make or break your profit, your product, and you being successful on Amazon FBA. So make sure you go through this whole video again.